After that, here come to the last part. Defusification. Defusification is a process that transforms from the fuzzy value to the crisp value back, which means if the temperature difference is low, then the compressor speed is low. If the temperature difference is medium, then the compressor speed is medium. If the temperature difference is high, then the compressor speed is fast. After air conditioner apply fuzzy logic, it become intelligent and able to save the energy with a more efficiency operation. After my mom studied, she explained to my father and tried to convince him. And lastly, my father has convinced by my mom and bought the intelligent air conditioner which apply fuzzy logic. Now, my family still enjoying the air conditioning every single day, especially in the noon period. That's all for me. Thanks for watching.
Created using Powtoon.